Happiness is a state of mind that has nothing to do with external world. This sacred knowledge by Lord Krishna is powerful and insightful. Good morning, Honorable Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Trisha, would be comparing today's assembly on the auspicious event of Janmashtami presented by Kala Sangam Club. Prayer is an opportunity to spend time with God. Let's give the day a soothing start by chanting the Gayatri Mantra. I request everyone to join your hands, close your eyes, and start Gayatri. The DAV anthem reminds the learner of their responsibility towards their institution, their society, and nation. Please join us for DAV anthem.
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाह नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता ये धारा अक्षर दिए विजय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय दिए विजय जय सुख समृद्धि की लहरें प्रेम शांति इस ठहरे सघन शांति प्रबल क्रांति में लिखे अटल निश्चय दिए विजय दिए विजय
There is a melody in everything, and once you find the melody, you connect immediately with heart. Let us all sing aloud the glory of God and charge the atmosphere with divine adoration. I would like to invite Raman of 7th B, Arunima Giri of 8th A, and Lohitaks Sunapati of 7th D for enlightening us with Krishna Bhajan. Thank you so much for giving us such a melodious performance. Shloka tells us how the power of knowledge is so tremendous that it can easily surpass wealth. Let's together Shloka presented by Shantanu Chatterjee of class 7th E.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्। जब जब सत्य और धर्म की हानि हो जाती है और अधर्म और असत्य की वृद्धि हो जाती है तथा पाप का साम्राज्य स्थापित हो जाता है, तब तब मैं अपने को प्रकट करता हूँ। परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे। मेरे अवतार धारण करने के 3 कारण होते हैं। पहला, अत्याचारी द्वारा पीड़ित साधु पुरुषों का उद्धार करना। दूसरा, दुष्टों का नाश करना। और तीसरा कारण है धर्म की पुनर्स्थापना करना।
Thank you, Shantanu, for such a wonderful performance. Poetry lifts the veil from the hidden beauty of the world and makes the familiar objects as if they were not familiar. I would like to call upon Anushri of 9C to recite the poem.
सुप्रभात शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आज मैं अनुश्री शर्मा कक्षा 9वीं स की छात्रा आप सभी के समक्ष जन्माष्टमी पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है ओ मेरे बाल गोपाला। जब तुम बजाते हो बंसी बहती है राग की रसधारा, जब झूम उठता है ओ मेरे बाल गोपाला। सांवला है रूप तुम्हारा, देखो तो नजर नहीं हटती, तुम्हारी तस्वीर हरदम आंखों के सामने ओ मेरे बाल गोपाला। माखन चुराने लीला न्यारी, सर पे मुकुट मोर पंख निराला, तू सबका है दुलारा ओ मेरे बाल गोपाला। कितनी धन्य है देवकी माँ जिसने तुझे जन्म दिया है, धन्य है यशोदा माँ जिसने तुम्हें है पाला। जब है ओ मेरे बाल गोपाला, कंगन में तुम बसे सबकी तुम ओ मेरे बाल गोपाला, ओ मेरे बाल गोपाला। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Anushri. That poem was really beautiful. The people around you are the instruments that God will use to help you. I would like to invite Aryan Jangis of 10th A for an instrumental performance. Thank you so much. That was a delightful performance indeed. On the occasion of Janmashtami, I request Cheshtha of 9th D to bring you a bucket list of life lessons from Lord Krishna's life that we should always remember to lead a happy and righteous life.
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Respected Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends, wish you all a very good morning. I, Krishna of class 9th D, would like to share a passage on Krishna Janmashtami. Lord Vishnu and his incarnations constitute a significant part of Hindu mythology, and Lord Krishna is one of the most powerful incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Janmashtami is celebrated as birth of Lord Krishna. According to Hindu calendar, this religious festival is celebrated on Ashtami Tithi of Krishna Paksh. Janmashtami is celebrated with immense joy in India. People celebrate Janmashtami by singing, fasting, praying, visiting Krishna and Vishnu temples. Since Lord Krishna was born during midnight, devotees observe fast and sing devotional songs during the hour. Major Krishna temples also organized recitations of Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavad Puran. Temples are decorated with tattoos scenes from Krishna's life. In regions like Maharashtra, a game called Dahi Handi is also played. Through his teachings from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has highlighted the values associated with mindfulness. We must inculcate values learned from Lord Krishna in our lives. The significance of Janmashtami is discouraging the bad will and encouraging the good will. It also signifies unity. Hence, is a symbolism of faith and unity. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Cheshtha, for apprising us with this performance. Dance is a beautiful form of expression of art, devotion, and faith. Let's call upon Pratyusha Bhardwaj of 4th C, Ananya Agarwal of 4th B, and Harshil of 4th B for a dance performance.
जो है
अलबेला मद नैनो बाला जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, जो है अलबेला मद नैनो बाला जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना वो दादा है, वो दादा है, दादा है।
That was a splendid performance. Thank you, Pratyusha, Ananya, and Harshal. I would now request respected principal to edify us with her.
Good morning, dear students, and I welcome you all from the premises of Sri Raman Vihari Gaudiya Math. What I have done is that today I decided to come here because you are celebrating this special festival, and I thought what better place to address you from than the holy premises of this temple. And as you can see, we have Lord Krishna with Radha ji and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu here. And in this temple, you can see there is a discourse going on, there is a katha going on. And I will even show you the ceiling of this temple. So there are paintings on the life of Lord Krishna. So I'll try to come closer to the deities, but the thing is that here the network connection is not very good. But then again, I hope I'll be able to ensure that all of you can have darshan of this place. Yes. So you can take darshan, and if you can see, that is Shant Maharaj. He is doing an online katha, and the Gurudev of this mutt. You can take darshan here. Yes. And okay, so that was a temple where I wanted that you should be here in virtual form, because I know that physical presence is not possible. So I want to congratulate Kala Sangam Club for the wonderful assembly and the wonderful programs. Twisha, our host for the day. Twisha, you did an excellent job. Thank you all the teachers for enabling the students to have these special assemblies, attend these special assemblies, because after all, and you can see Pitambar Bhaiya in the background also. Right. Congratulations, Kala Sangam Club. And remember, on this special day, we can chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for taking us all along with you. Your words truly radiated a source of energy within all of us. Nahi kaschid sharnapit, jatu tishthate karmapit, karyate havasya karma, sarva prakriti jayane guni. Lord Krishna's teachings are true. Have a very happy Janmashtami. I request you all to join us for Shanti Path.
Om Dhyau Shanti Nirantarikshagni Shanti Prithvi Shanti Rapah Shanti Roshadhayah Shanti Vanaspatayah Shantirvishve Devah Shantirbrahma Shanti Sarvagvam Shanti Shantireva Shanti Sama Shantire Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Now you all can join your class.